Dear learner, let's start to our continuous combined spectra problem analysis, and we reach to the problem number 6. Today we have not molecular weight, but we have a direct molecular formula, so little bit job is very easy, but something is exciting in that also, that we will see in a continuous learning process. Nitrogen and oxygen are present in given molecular formula. So normal people can think always the presence of NH2 and OH. Let us see the spectral data we have. It is very easy for us due to given molecular formula. But now to see this IR, and after observing a nitrogen oxygen, we are expecting NH2 and OH. But from here, this data shows that there is no presence of OH and NH2. Let us check NMR also. In case of NMR, all the signals are very important for us. Let us go ahead and try to find out from this given all the spectroscopical data. So it will say in spectroscopical data, then we could find that this is very important data for us, because that data indicate about molecular weight is not given to us, but molecular formula is given, so we are very happy. Now from NMR and IR, this is very important and interesting for this case also. So here it is 6.6 and 4H, so 100% chances is there. There is aromatic compound could be present. So this fragment is there. After that, if you will see that it has a 4 hydrogen. What it indicate? It indicate due to 4 hydrogen, it inclined that there are this benzene ring is a di substituted because then only the benzene have a 2 hydrogen. Now from IR, there is no presence of NH2, there is no presence of OH, even though we have the presence of and nitrogen and oxygens. So here we could come to the conclusion from that also. It has a triplet and it has a quadrate. From triplet and quadrate, by making a two group of this compound, always we have this is CH3, CH2, one fragment is that, and one more fragment we have, that is S 3.24 singlet NH2. So that 2H indicate the chances of CH2, because if it is or it have presence of NH2, then in bracket it should be written that a broad signal. If it is written, then the chances of NH2, but it is not written at here. So it is the chances of this fragment. So we can say that the hydrogen is almost completely adjusted. There is no deficiency of hydrogen. Now what about this NO then? There are chances of C triple bond N. There are chances of this carbonyl group. There are chances of this bond also. So when this 1650 is indicating what? Is indicating that the presence of aromatic compound. That shows that the presence of aromatic compound. Now there is no extra carbon available because all the carbon is occupied. From here the 6 carbon is occupied. From here there are 6 plus 2, 8 carbon is 2 means 2 8 carbon is occupied. From here one more carbon is occupied, that means carbon is almost completed, or that is occupied by the hydrogen. So there is no chances of this group and this group. So 100% chances of this group is there. Let us arrange the fractions and fragment. Suppose we have this group, okay, we keep here. Then we have the CH2, CH3, that is okay. Now we have two possibilities, either ortho, meta and para. So I keep it here, this, but I cannot exactly say that it is a ortho or a para derivative. So I can say that if we have learned this one video of hybridizations, and based on that the hybridizations of this group is, what is that? That is we can say it is sp hybridizations. So if it is sp2 hybridizations, then the sp2 hybridizations is nearer to 1500 to 1700. These are approximate. So this signal is indicating what? This signal is indicating that the chances of nitric oxides or NO. I again repeat you that there is no requirement to mug up the value of NO, because this NO is based on the hybridization. We can say the sp2 hybridizations is near to that, and sp hybridizations, if it is sp, then that is nearer to 2200 centimeter inverse. So this is the possible structure for us. Now let us go and discuss about the conformations test. Suppose this is our compound CH2, CH3, and this we have taken CH2 and O, and from that we can say that here I can say that yes, this has 4H with delta value matching in NMR as well as in IR. This is confirmed from this NMR and IR. In case of IR, it is 3000 centimeter inverse. This is confirmed from this NMR, and this is also confirmed from the IR. There is no hydrogen, there is no possibility of NMRs, that is sp2 hybridization, so this is near to that. So the delta value of this CH2 is more, and the delta value of this CH2 is less. To understand that, continuously learn the spectra analysis, and one NMR value. Based on that, I have prepared one video. That video will show you or inform you and teach you why the NMR value of CH2 in case of this structure is more nearer to CH3, and this has a less value. So this is our continuous learning process. If you like that, then always to part in a continuous learning process. Thank you. Thanks a lot.